Hey, I heard you want to know more about Rivet notifications. Great. Let's get started. Rivet notifications. Where do I begin? How about your Rivet profile page? Yes, that is exactly where you're going to start. You can access your Rivet profile page by clicking in the upper right corner of the application, either on your profile picture or, if you don't have a profile picture, your initials. On the left side of your profile page, there's a menu with notification settings. Click that and we're done. No, we're not done. There's so many useful options that I'm going to tell you about. Firstly, labor request notifications. If you're the superintendent or a project manager on a job and you'd like to be notified by text and or email every time labor is requested on that job, turn this toggle on. Easy enough, but wait, there's more. If in your organization, in Rivet, you have a scheduler level permission or above, meaning scheduler or admin, you can select to see the labor requests for every job or just the jobs you're attached to. Next, flag for transfer notifications. Same thing. You can toggle this on or off. Choose if you wish to see this for all workers flagged for transfer or only workers on jobs that you're attached to. Now at the bottom here, these notification channel settings, this is what a lot of you have been asking for. I'm excited I get to show it to you. Rivet's first swing at delayed notifications. Whoa. Yep, it's here. Let's talk about it. For the email notification frequency, if you've chosen to receive emails for either of the above actions, you can set this cadence to individual, meaning you'll get an email each time this action takes place. If you select daily, you'll be able to pick a time that you'll receive an email summary report from Rivet with all of the day's actions that you've selected above. You could probably see where this is going. The weekly option, you'll get an email once a week at a time of your choosing, reporting all of your chosen actions from the previous week. Lastly, us here at Rivet appreciate a work-life balance. So if you toggle on the SMS quiet hours, you will not receive a text from Rivet if an action is generated between 6 p.m. and 6 a.m. the following day. You will not receive a deluge of texts at 6 in the morning if actions have been taken the previous night. Those texts will simply not land in your inbox at all. Now, as a default, going forward, project leader permission levels and above will receive a weekly email report in their inbox. If you wish not to receive a weekly email report from Rivet, now you know where the notification settings are, so you could turn those off. Almost done. There's a new notification icon here, the bell, where you can search through notifications you've received to make sure you're not missing anything. You could search by keyword, you could search by a part of the message. This is a pretty elastic search. That's what the developers told me. Okay, this is the last thing, for real. Admin users in Rivet are able to access a user's profile in their organization and adjust the notification settings for them. The admin user will get an indication that they are adjusting another user's profile. Whew. It's been a long time coming. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to Rivet's customer success team. And I hope the rest of your day is great.